Hi, welcome to Clever Chess Trading. Today I'm going to show you something very interesting about this RookArmy. Over here we got 15 minutes on the sessions liquidity, as I told you in the previous videos. We see the same thing happening over and over again. Here we sweep the session highs, previous session highs, then revert to the previous session low, and over here we can see that we got a buy signal around 9:39. As you can see, this aligns with the 1, 2 minute and 3 minute time frame. 1:30:42 over here. The 3 are bullish. That's why we see all this big move higher. We are heading to the point that I previously told, that is the drawn liquidity, equal highs, and we are very likely to go over here. So how could we get into a trade like this? There are several ways. As you can see here, 5 minutes is a straight up. This retracement lower doesn't see any sell signal here, but over here we got a sell signal 10:20, and over here we got another sell signals. So what we wait for alignment 10:30. Over here we got a bullish signal. The way we can get into this trade is using the same thing, stop and offer resistance low. In this case you can see this one followed by a buy signal. When we see this, we can get in here very easy, right? So now we are doing the same, probably going to continue going higher. So I'm gonna drop to something very interesting, that is the ultra lower time frames. This is the 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 50 seconds, 30 seconds, and 1 minute over here, 5 minutes. So what happening now is price is starting a small sell program. Is going to hunt liquidity, but in this case, what is this red? What is this pink? Is a new 90 minutes sessions liquidity. If we divide the 6 hours into 90 minutes, we get this. So it's very interesting because over here we can see the same thing. If we zoom into this portion around 9:45, we can see that the trade was actually in these lower time frames. 9:45. Let's show you over here. 9:45. You see over here we get into this area, and once we rebalance this area, prices are just moving vertical. So we would use the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes in concert with this, going to get very precise entries. So over here we just know that it is going to continue going higher. So we're just going to wait to make a live trade. In this case, going to wait for the signal that I've been teaching, but this time it's going to be a very fast move. So I need to put some trading over here to show you how it's done. So now I'm just waiting. We are currently in a time where price could just reverse, but I want to cash another leg higher move. So it's very probable that price is just going to continue going higher. So I just need the buy signals in at least in the 1 minute to get in the lower time frames. Just waiting. For now, just we are waiting. You can see 5, 10, and 15 seconds is giving a buy signal, but it's really a buy. It's not sure yet. Can continue going lower. That shaded red area is the previous 90 minutes high. So what we are below them is bearish. We need to displace over that gray shaded area in order to go higher. Here we got market open. As you can see, this is not market replay. So just waiting for the signals. Told you it's going to continue going lower, while we are respecting this area. So in which point is expected price to revert? You see over here, this is the 5 minutes, like the higher time frame. We get this placement in this leg So it's very likely that we are going to respect this in order to continue going higher. The price is probably reaching here, or if not, it's just going to reach here. Also, it's a displacement about high. So because we don't know, we're just going to wait for the right signals. Which of the two areas price is going to use? We don't know. We're just waiting. Waiting. Alright, we need price to take previous 90 minute session low to get in, or at least solve the 50% that is over here. So I'm expecting price to drop probably around this area. Spread this place about this, we can look for a long to this place about this. In other words, buy signal in the 1 minute time frame will trigger this buy program. We can be confident about it's going to continue higher. If not, we can see the sell move over here unfolding. Participate in this sell move, but it's against my bias, so this is just a retracement for me. Expecting price to continue going higher. Just waiting. Look over here, we sweep above, then below. It's raining. The 1 minute is still bearish until we close above this. That's the benefit of having this algorithm. 30 seconds is apparently switching to bullish. Alright, we need displacement SVG above this. We get into the trade. See, bullish over here. Return to this area will be a buy, but we failed to break higher in the 1 minute. This was like some kind of sell entry apparently. Let's be displacing the 1 minute and not believing anything here, but is apparently sink higher. Okay, let's see. Another try to push higher. Let's see, price should respect now this. Over here, this black line is an important price. Previous day high, so price go there. Okay, we got in 1 minute the signal. Just waiting for some kind of retracement to get in. See, just going vertical, some kind of retracement in the 5 second at least. That let me get in this. Doesn't matter if it's not a perfect trade. We know this red area is going to be inverted. So just waiting for, like that, this move. Going to lock this. Okay, waiting for a retracement in this area to get in the long. Enter in there. Going to show you. Over here we can get into the trade. In the trade, this is an accumulation trade. I'm going to wait for. This is not a right entry, just because we don't get over here, just enter there. But we are going to wait for an inversion of this area. Buy signal at least in the seconds. Over here we got one. Waiting for another signal here. Where should we place the stop? Using the 1 minute time frame, the stop should be over here. Trade below this, not longer interest in these buy signals. Right, waiting. Here we hit a great area, the seconds to get in. We're going to trade there in buy position. I'm going to change colors here. Let's put this green. Very green. Okay, we got the buy signal. As you can see, I entered earlier, but over there you can get in. Hold 3 bullish. This was bullish. Doesn't matter this sell signal because still all bullish in 5 minutes. And if we are wrong, we are wrong. Nothing to do here. We can aim for at least new high, but the liquidity is going to be over here, this black line. So our trade is going to be stop here and over here. Set to risk reward. It's decent, but expecting this to reach a bit more higher. Let's put it over here. How many pips are here? 10 pips with, yes, right there. The contract is the maximum allowed. We are having 9 pips stop. It's very good. Price should continue going higher. As you can see, this was inversed. Make a little manipulation there because I haven't closed above yet. When we close above, this is going to displace higher. See over here, everything looks bullish. Very likely this gives confidence, you know. This clean, not a single red. The case is very strong trend. Well, there when we get here we can take a partial, put break even. Just waiting. This is live market open, not replay, and we are trading the second time frames. Just waiting. Don't want this video to be very long, so I'm going to end it as soon as we get here. Okay, going to move above them with speed. This is just liquidity being engineered for people that don't know how to get out. It's scary, but it's going to displace higher fast, very fast. This is paper trading. I'm not doing any financial advice here. It's just demo to showcase the power of these algorithms. See this perfect run. Here is doing some liquidity building in the second time frames. See, this is not visible in the 1 minute. We are up almost 2 risk reward here. I'm not taking any partial because I'm very confident we are going to at least pop above this. I'm very confident about that. So just waiting. Should deliver before 11:50. If not, I'm getting out. People is getting a score here. Okay, looks like it's bearish in the 1 minute, but look at the 5 minutes. It's clearly bullish. When the teaching this shine, when we close above, the candle is very likely to close above with probability of 80%, 70%. So here we got let's put the button over here. You just tap in a little bit more there, gets on and puts on this break even. Should not touch this again. If it touch this, not interest. So this is just showcasing how you can get in sync even if the second time frames have this very fat profit. This is what 0.3 7-minute profit. Okay, now from here 1 2 just 10-minute profits. Get profit in 10 minutes using this. We must have a clear liquidity in the higher time frame, and that's why this works. So don't be more. Hope you have a great time and have a great insights with this live trading session. It's going to continue higher at least to this. So live market data. If you like, please subscribe and like the video. Good luck and good trading.